Information from a series of studies is helping Hoosier officials better predict what is to come with COVID-19, like the Fairbanks study that found 45% of Hoosiers who have contracted the virus are now asymptomatic, meaning they can't show symptoms. CBS 4's Melissa Crash shows us what's being done to help Indiana prepare for the pandemic in the future.
These numbers are really the first of their kind, certainly in Indiana and debatably anywhere in the United States.
Dr. Nirma McKinney is leading testing efforts for the Fairbanks study.
I think our results advance our understanding of things that were heretofore unknown.
His team is trying to understand who is getting sick with coronavirus and why. Information that will help predict how many people may need to be hospitalized in the future.
I think the spikes are going to be a function of how well people are able to adhere to the precautions in this new normal. This new normal is not going to go away until we have a vaccine, and I think staying closed indefinitely is just not an option.
Every day there's new research, and the Polis Center at IUPUI is tracking all of it through this coronavirus data hub.
We've really tried to expand it quite a bit, so we continue to add new functionality to it.
Marianne Cardwell is the project coordinator. Her team created this map to show the local risk of social isolation in older adults. They're also looking at how the virus impacts race and gender and how neighborhoods play a role. According to their research, African Americans are 2.4 times more likely to test positive in Indiana.
I think as we learn how it spread and who those people are that are most at risk, and as we start opening up, we can see how that's impacting us.
While it's too early to tell how reopening will impact data, both experts agree the fight is not over.
I think that will help us make better decisions moving forward to strike that balance between reopening the economy but keeping us mostly safe, or as safe as we can be.
I think we have slowed the spread of the virus. I don't think anyone should assume we have won the war against the virus.
I'm Melissa Crash, CBS 4 News.
The city will relax more restrictions